First, we experience the phenomenon of the conjunction between Jupiter and Saturn. At this time, however, if you were to peek at the night sky, you'd realize that a triple planetary conjunction is ongoing. Mercury, Jupiter, and Saturn are clustering in the night sky in a rare 3-planetary conjunction event. Mercury, Jupiter, and Saturn are currently aligned in the night sky. They have appeared closer together than they have ever been since 2000. When 3 planets move in such a conjunction, it's known as a planetary trio. Mercury, Jupiter, and Saturn are currently clustering together to create a beautiful sight in the night sky. Of course, there is an end to everything. So Monday was the final night that the 3 planets were lined up and visible at twilight. They appear the closest that they have ever been in more than 20 years. And they formed an equilateral triangle in the night sky. This shape is just a blip in time. They will not get to see this shape and planetary trio in this way ever again. It will probably happen again in this exact same way, but not in our lifetime. This is an astronomical event in which celestial bodies align like this, and this is called a conjunction. A triple alignment like this is known as a planetary trio. If you were to hold up your hands to the sky, and all 3 planets cluster within a circle that fits the space between your ring finger and your pointer finger, that's the trio that forms the planetary conjunction. When persons observe the night sky on Monday after sunset, having looked at the southwestern regions of the sky to the clearer parts, they were able to see this triple planetary conjunction. At that point, Jupiter was the brightest to the naked eye. It was about 10 times brighter than Saturn. And then it was followed by Mercury, then Saturn, based on alignment. Since Saturn is quite dim, it may not be distinguishable from the sun's afterglow with the naked eye. So the best way to have seen this planetary trio was to focus your eyes on Jupiter, which would be closer to the top, then point a pair of binoculars at it. Mercury and Saturn should appear in the same binocular field as Jupiter. After Monday, Jupiter and Saturn will dip below the horizon and no longer be visible, while Mercury will continue rising in the sky night after night, moving steadily away from the other 2 planets. Although the 3 worlds seem to be almost touching during the planetary trio, Jupiter and Saturn are actually separated by almost 5 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. Mercury and Saturn are separated by nearly twice that distance as well. Astronomers turn their telescopes towards the sky in January to catch another conjunction event, when Jupiter and Saturn aligned more closely than they had ever done in centuries. Over the last 2,000 years, there were just 2 times that Jupiter and Saturn came close in the sky. Once in 1623, but the sun's glare made it impossible to see, and the other time was in 1226. Planetary trios, by contrast, are far more common. The last one was in October 2015. Another trio involving Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter will appear on February 13th. The last time that Mercury, Jupiter, and Saturn formed a triangle was in May 2000. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the fascinating planetary trio that appeared in 2021 with Saturn, Mercury, and Jupiter. And of course, look out for other planetary trios appearing in the night sky as the year progresses, as these are quite common occurrences, unlike the great conjunction between Saturn and Jupiter. Of course, keep your eyes focused on the night skies. Enjoy the view. Enjoy the evening sunsets. They are quite beautiful and breathtaking. Enjoy the moon when it appears in the sky. And of course, look to the stars and try to see if you can identify some of the brightest stars that exist in the Milky Way. And see if you can take a look to identify some of the planets from our solar system. Enjoy and continue to learn and indulge in all that is beautiful that is brought to us by the universe. And of course, continue to look until you yourself can travel throughout the universe. Of course, enjoy, have a great day, and take care. Goodbye.